So what things do we know about this series? Do we know AN?
No.
No. Do we know A1?
Yes.
What is it?
4.
Somebody else, do we know N?
No.
Yes.
Somebody else, do we know R? Geometric is what number we multiply each time to get the other number. So it's 3. Got it? So we can pick one of the ones that doesn't have the AN. And I like the second one better than the first one for the very reason that somebody just mentioned about making that mistake. So let's write it down. A1 times 1 minus R to the N over 1 minus R. So we just put in the numbers. And put it in our calculators. So the answer is 39,364 when you put that in your calculator. So N is 7 because it's the top number minus the bottom number plus 1. To find A1, you take the bottom number and plug it into here. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. So A1 is negative 4. And if they're in the I minus 1 format and the lower number is 1, then it's always going to be this number right here. But it's not always, so look at it. And then if you want AN, you put in the 7. So this is going to be 2, negative 4 times 2 to the 6. Because 7 minus 1, what's that?
Wait, AN is plug in top number, right?
Yep. So we plug in the top number, the bottom number to get A1 and the top number to get AN. We also have R. R is the guy that has the exponent on him. So R is 2, because that's the guy with the exponent, okay? So you can really use any formula you like because you have everything you need. So go ahead and do it any way you want and tell me what SN is.